Is your vehicle having a hard time starting or cranking over slow, and you're not 100% sure what's going on? Today we're going to do some testing using the Launch products. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Launch BST360 battery and charging tester. So there's not much to the packaging. Small cardboard box, manual with some instructions, and then just the testers. Very lightweight, nice quality. It would have been nice though to have a small nylon case for them, just for carrying purposes. We're going to jump inside of a car and I'm going to show you how they work. So now that we got the tool attached to the battery, we're going to go into the BST tab here on my scan tool. You don't have to use a scan tool. There's actually an app from Launch that you can use these features with. We're going to start with the battery health test. So we're going to pick a common battery. For my area, I'm going to pick the American Society. I know my cranking amps are 850. So this first test was very quick. It just checks the actual life of the battery. This one's indicating that my battery is bad and I need to replace it. We're going to move on to the starting system next. We're going to move on to the charging system now. So after running the tests on the vehicle, this is the report I received. It's telling me to replace the battery. My battery health remaining is 13%, and the cranking amps are only 305, where the battery is rated for 850. The starting system verifies that the battery is bad here because the voltage is extremely low when the car goes to start and it sputters a bit. The charging system though is operating fine. So we're just going to order a new battery for the vehicle and replace it. This has been a review of the Launch BST360 charging and battery tool. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.